OneTigris COSMITTO Tent. The OneTigris COSMITTO Tent is the ideal choice for camping and backpacking adventures. Its double-layer design provides outstanding protection from the elements and excellent ventilation, making it comfortable and enjoyable to stay in. The waterproof outer layer keeps out moisture, while the mesh inner layer allows for breathability. The tent also features a large vestibule area that can be used for storing gear or as an additional sleep space. The poles of this tent are made of high-strength aluminum, giving it superior durability and strength, even over long periods of time. It also comes with a footprint to protect the bottom of the tent from wear and tear. Setting up the OneTigris COSMITTO Tent is easy and quick, meaning you don't have to spend too much time setting up your campsite. And its lightweight nature makes it ideal for either solo or group camping trips. The tent measures 6.8 feet by 6.8 feet by 4.2 feet when set up, providing plenty of room for sleeping or lounging around inside. The total weight of the tent itself is 5 pounds, so you won't need to worry about adding too much extra weight to your load on your next outdoor adventure. Multitool with pocket clip. The Multitool with pocket clip is a must-have for any outdoorsman or everyday carry enthusiast. This compact and lightweight tool is constructed from superior quality stainless steel, making it both durable and long-lasting. It measures 3.5 inches closed and 6 inches open, weighing in at an impressive 6 ounces. The pocket-sized tool offers a variety of useful tools including pliers, wire cutters, a knife, a saw, a bottle opener, a can opener, a flathead, and Phillips screwdrivers. The pocket clip allows you to securely attach the tool to your clothing or gear without having to worry about losing it during outdoor activities or day-to-day use. The locking mechanism ensures safety when using any of the tools included in this multi-tool package. With its versatile and lightweight design, the multi-tool with pocket clip allows you to easily access essential tools whenever needed, making it ideal for both outdoor adventures and everyday life. Kelty Cosmic 20-degree sleeping bag. The Kelty Cosmic 20-degree sleeping bag is a reliable and comfortable choice for camping and backpacking adventures. This lightweight and roomy rectangular-shaped sleeping bag offers excellent insulation, keeping you cozy at temperatures as low as 20 degrees Fahrenheit. The combination of ThermaPro synthetic insulation and CloudLoft microfiber insulation ensures warmth while still allowing breathability and comfort. The full-length zipper makes it easy to get in and out of the bag, while the attached hood and draft collar provide extra warmth by trapping heat inside. With a size of 84 by 32 by 22 inches, the Kelty Cosmic 20-degree sleeping bag has plenty of space to move around without feeling constricted, making it suitable for people up to 6 feet 6 inches tall. At only 2 pounds 12 ounces, this sleeping bag is easy to transport from one location to another, even when on foot. Additionally, it features an impressive 1 pound 8 ounce full weight that keeps you warm without adding too much bulk or weight. Overall, the Kelty Cosmic 20-degree sleeping bag is designed with performance in mind, while still providing a comfortable sleep experience. It's perfect for any outdoor adventure, as it packs up small but still provides plenty of warmth on cold nights. BioLite HeadLamp 200 Lumen. The BioLite HeadLamp 200 is a powerful and versatile headlamp that is perfect for camping, hiking, and other outdoor activities. Featuring an ultra-bright 200 lumens LED output, the headlamp illuminates the darkest of trails with ease. You'll be able to see further and brighter than ever before. The main body is lightweight and comfortable to wear, featuring an adjustable strap that fits snugly around your head without causing any discomfort. It also comes with a red night vision mode and white strobe mode, allowing you to quickly signal your presence or distress if needed. On top of its impressive light output, the BioLite HeadLamp 200 is waterproof with an IPX4 rating. Whether you're trekking in wet conditions or simply caught in a rainstorm, you can rest assured knowing that your device won't suffer any damage from water or moisture. This headlamp has a battery life of up to 40 hours on low brightness settings, so you don't have to worry about short-lived power when out in the wild for extended periods of time. You can also adjust the brightness level or opt for various strobe settings depending on your needs, from dimming all the way to full brightness at 82-meter beam distance. Thanks to its rugged construction and long battery life, the BioLite HeadLamp 200 is perfect for anyone looking for a reliable and practical lighting solution while out in nature. With its lightweight design and impressive versatility, the headlamp will be sure to light up even the darkest trails, even under adverse conditions. Garmin InReach Mini. The Garmin InReach Mini is the ideal satellite communication device for adventurers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts. This lightweight device allows you to stay connected even when in remote areas that lack cell service. It uses the Iridium network to send and receive messages in real time, as well as track locations and share them with loved ones. In addition to messaging, it also has a built-in GPS, which allows you to navigate and precisely determine your location. For emergency situations, it includes an SOS button that triggers a direct link to the GEOS 24/7 International Emergency Response Coordination Center for assistance. This pocket-sized device packs a lot of powerful features, perfect for those who love exploring nature. Not only does it provide two-way messaging, but its tracking capabilities let users know their exact whereabouts at all times. Accurate navigation is also possible thanks to its built-in GPS feature, and with just a push of the SOS button, help is on its way should an emergency happen while out on a trail or in any other isolated area. The battery life of this mini device offers up to 75 hours of use in tracking mode while sending 10-minute intervals. Kelty Coyote 60 to 105 liter backpack. The Kelty Coyote 60 to 105 liter backpack is an essential piece of gear for any camping, hiking, or backpacking trip. With a capacity of up to 105 liters, this versatile and durable pack will easily fit all your important gear and supplies. Constructed with water-resistant fabric, it can protect your items from the elements while you're out exploring the great outdoors. The top-loading design with U-shaped zippered access makes it easy to pack and unpack effectively, saving time on the trail. Additionally, it features a large front pocket and multiple side pockets for added organization and storage when you need it most. Not only does this backpack provide ample capacity for all your gear, but it's also designed for comfort. The adjustable suspension system ensures that no matter what size and shape you are, you can find the perfect fit to carry your load comfortably throughout any adventure. Plus, the hydration-compatible design makes staying hydrated on the go easy. Simply attach a hydration bladder, not included, to keep yourself refreshed while exploring. Wild Wind Camping and Backpacking Stove. The Wild Wind Camping and Backpacking Stove is the perfect addition to your outdoor adventures. This lightweight and compact stove is made of durable stainless steel and aluminum alloy, meaning it won't corrode or be damaged by high temperatures. It has a stable four-legged design that provides a secure platform for cooking pots, plus an adjustable flame control, so you can adjust the heat output to meet your needs. Not only that, but this stove has wide fuel compatibility. You can use butane, propane, or even unleaded gasoline with it. Setting up and using the stove is easy, and it comes with its own carrying case, so it's easy to transport and store. Whether you're camping in the woods or backpacking across national parks, the Wild Camping and Backpacking Stove will get you cooking quickly. Its stainless steel construction guarantees long-lasting performance on every trip, while its adjustable flame control ensures precise temperature management for all types of recipes. Best of all, this multi-fuel stove is designed to use butane, propane, or unleaded gasoline, giving you plenty of options for refilling on the go. Surviveware Comprehensive Premium First Aid Kit. The Surviveware Comprehensive Premium First Aid Kit is the ideal solution for any outdoor adventurer who wants to be prepared for anything. This top-of-the-line kit contains all the essential first aid supplies, along with a comprehensive first aid manual to help you navigate any emergency. The entire kit is housed in a durable, water-resistant bag that makes it easy to store and carry with you wherever you go. The bag itself is made from tough 600D polyester fabric to ensure it can withstand punctures, tears, and abrasions. It also has multiple compartments so that you can find the right supplies quickly in a hurry. Plus, the MOLLE system allows you to attach the kit to other gear or even your belt loop if needed. Inside the kit, you'll find plenty of supplies such as bandages of various sizes and shapes, gauze pads, antiseptic wipes, scissors, tweezers, safety pins, a pen light, alcohol prep pads, adhesive tape, burn gel packs, a CPR mask, gloves, and more. In addition, it includes a comprehensive guidebook that covers how to use each item effectively in an emergency situation. For added convenience and storage capacity, there's also an inner pocket that holds extra medical supplies or documents that you might need during your adventure. Lifestraw Go Stainless Steel Water Filter Bottle. The Lifestraw Go is a revolutionary water filtration system that is sure to make your next adventure easy and safe. This reusable water bottle combines the convenience of a durable, leak-proof stainless steel construction with the advanced water filtration technology of the Lifestraw filter. Developed for camping, traveling, and emergency preparedness, this 20-ounce bottle removes bacteria, parasites, and microplastics from any source of water so you can stay hydrated with confidence. The filter has an impressive lifetime capacity of up to 1,000 gallons, and it's replaceable when needed. The Lifestraw Go makes drinking clean water effortless. All you have to do is fill up the bottle and drink through the straw. No pumping or waiting necessary. The BPA-free material ensures that your water stays safe and free from toxins. Its lightweight design makes it great for packing in your bag or clipping onto your belt loop when you're on the go. Whether you are hiking in the woods or stuck in an emergency situation, the Lifestraw Go will be there for you. Click Camping Chair. The Click Camping Chair is the perfect outdoor companion no matter where your adventures take you. The lightweight and portable folding chair is designed for camping, picnics, and outdoor events with features that make it a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. It's made of durable 600D Oxford fabric and a sturdy steel frame that can sport up to 300 pounds, so you can relax in comfort without the fear of it collapsing on you. The adjustable headrest provides additional support for your neck, while the convenient cup holder allows you to keep your favorite beverage close at hand. There's also a handy side pocket for storing small items like books or cell phones. Setting up and taking down the chair is simple. It comes with an easy-to-follow instruction manual and takes just moments to assemble or disassemble. It has a folded size of 25.6 by 7.9 by 7.9 inches, making it easy to store in its included carrying bag, ensuring total portability wherever your travels may lead you. Alocs Camping Cookware. The Alocs Camping Cookware set is the perfect option for campers, backpackers, and outdoor adventurers who need a lightweight, convenient cooking solution. This set includes a pot, pan, 2 bowls, and a soup spoon, all tucked away in an easy-to-carry nylon carrying bag. The pot and pan are made of hard anodized aluminum, which is strong yet lightweight. The material is non-stick and resists scratches and wear and tear over time with proper care. The handles of the pot and pan are foldable to make storage easier while also making them more compact for transportation. The 2 bowls included in this cookware set are made from food-grade PP material that is BPA-free and easy to clean. The soup spoon also has the same material to ensure that you can enjoy safe meals in the outdoors without any worries. The carrying bag is made from durable nylon fabric that makes it easy to transport your cookware wherever you go, while also protecting it during transit. This entire set weighs only 1.1 pounds, yet it's perfectly suited for camping trips or long backpacking adventures thanks to its lightweight but sturdy construction.